how to dial numbers on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So first, let me tell you that iPads do not have a built-in phone application like iPhones, making direct dialing impossible. But users can utilize third-party apps such as Google Meet to make calls and send messages. So you do have contacts app in your iPad, so you can go to your contacts app and then choose the person that you want to call. So once you have opened up the contact, just tap on the call option, and then there you'll find meet. So tap on it and then tap on the mobile number, and it will redirect you to the Google Meet. Now you can call from there. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.